Hello guys, so this is Unit 2, Lesson 1. I'm going to make the videos a little longer so I can fit more information in them. So just so you know. Alright, let's start. So we have, this is a review of the last unit in quiz. We had a quiz. So just, just a quick review. This is basically what we had to do, right? So the books are red. Repeat after me. The books are red. Are the books red? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Okay? Just remember that it is one thing, and they is for more than one. Okay? So they is the plural form of it. All right? Let's continue. So the books are red. Are the books red? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. They are blue. Okay? So, in case that, just to make it clear, right? The books, I'm sorry, I'm asking if the books are red, right? And we don't add reds to the color of the books, right? We don't add red. Okay. Another thing is that we have books. Okay, books is equals to they. Okay, because it's more than one thing. So when you answer, you say yes they are. No, they aren't. Okay, aren't is the contraction of are not. You can say no, they are not. You can say no, they aren't. It's okay. So then we have they are blue in this case because you're saying no, right? So you have to say a different color, no red, because I'm asking, are the books red? And you say no, and you say a different color because the books are not red. They're green, blue, whatever color, right? Okay. Is the dog in the house? Is the dog in the house? No, it isn't. It's at the neighbor's house. Neighbor's house. Neighbor is the person who lives next to your house. Okay, remember, next to is the house next to yours. Okay, so that's your neighbor. And the last one is, are the students in class? Are the students in class? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Okay, so those are the basic rules that we've learned so far. And remember that are, is, and am, those are the forms of the verb to be. Okay? Okay, so we continue with useful questions. Useful questions in class. How do you say mesa in English? How do you say mesa in English? How do you say mesa in English? Okay, the last one I said is just too slow, right? Nobody talks like that. You have to sound fluent. How do you say no, what? How do you say peine in English? Okay, what's the answer for number 4? What's the answer for number 4? Okay, remember that sometimes you say the when the next word starts with a vowel. Okay, a, u, I, o. Sometimes it's not a rule, but sometimes you say the. So what's the answer for number 4? Okay, the next one. Excuse me. Can you repeat that? Excuse me. Can you repeat that? Remember the th, that. When you speak fast, you don't really worry much about the sound because you're speaking fast, but you always say it, right? A little bit, but you say it, okay? So at the beginning, you have to exaggerate. It's necessary. Okay, the next one says, how do you spell phone? How do you spell phone? Can you speak more slowly? Can you speak more slowly? What does bread mean? What does bread mean? How do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce? How do you pronounce this word? Okay, may I go to the restroom? May I go to the restroom? Remember the M at the end. Restroom, 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 right? Okay, restroom. Or bathroom. Bathroom is the same thing. Okay, bathroom. Okay, that's that. And then we continue with verbs other than be. Okay, verbs other than be. I work every day. Work is the verb, right? The verb to be is are in am, right? But other verbs are like, for example, work, run, write, read. Okay. I work every day. Repeat with me. I work every day. You work every day. Now, when you have he, she, well, not this, he, she, or it, I can't really edit this thing, but anyway, when you have he, she, or it, the s is added after the verb. Okay, so he works every day. We work every day. You work every day. They work every day. So this is the singular form of the pronouns, right? Of the pronouns. I is singular, you is singular, he is singular. You also have you more than one, right? So that's plural, we is plural, and they is plural, right? So we have other examples. I run every day. Repeat with me. I run every day. You write a letter every night. Sorry, you write a letter every night. I made the same mistake in class. That's so funny. Okay, you write a letter every night. He reads a book every morning. He reads a book every morning. Look how the s is added after the verb read. Okay, so the verb, the actual word is read, right? To read, but you add the s. All right, he reads a book every morning. Okay, we eat together every lunch. We eat together every afternoon. To make it a time, that might be better. Okay, we eat together every afternoon. You sweep the floor together every morning. Like you and your brother, for example, or you and your wife, or your girlfriend, or your boyfriend, whatever. You and somebody, excuse me, you and somebody else. Okay, you sweep the floor together every morning. They greet each other every day. They greet each other every day. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the grammar practice. that well, we're not going to do it in the video, in this video at least, but I'm going to cut it here, and then we'll continue with another video in the same lesson, okay?